Whee! Up, up, and away!
Hey there, little fella. Where are you headed on this wild ride?
Anywhere the wind takes me. I can't wait to find some fertile soil and sprout.
Be careful, little one. The world's a harsh place these days.
Don't worry, fluffy friends. I'm not scared.
Whoa! Watch where you're flying, little sprout. That could have been an eye.
Sorry, ma'am. Mind if I catch a ride on your backpack?
Clinging to a wanderer isn't the safest. But that green valley over there looks promising. Hop on.
Thanks, miss. This is amazing. I can see forever.
Hold on tight. Well, here we are. This used to be a thriving farm, you know.
Wow, it smells like possibility. Thanks for the ride.
Anytime, little one. Now off you go and find a good spot to take root.
Oof.
Easy there, little fella. Took a tumble, did you?
I think so. Where am I?
Field of forgotten dreams by the looks of it. But the soil seems promising enough.
But it's so empty. I thought fields were full of life.
They were once. Humans used to tend to this land.
Humans? What are those?
Big, noisy creatures. Used to live in that broken house over there. They cared for the plants, fed us all.
Us? Who are you?
We are the worms, the bugs, the whole crew. Now, it's quiet.
Quiet? No, I won't have it. I'm going to grow here, show everyone what life can still do.
Big talk for a tiny sprout. But I like your moxie. Follow me.
Whoa, where are we going?
Underground. Let me show you the hidden world beneath the soil.
This is amazing. So many tunnels, so much life.
Roots reaching for water, beetles munching on leaves. It's a whole ecosystem down here.
And what's this?
Look up. See that broken window?
Sunlight. And pots? Full of rich soil?
An abandoned greenhouse. Perfect for a determined sprout like yourself.
You think so?
I know so. Now go on, little one. Show them all what life can still do.
Thank you, my friend. I won't let you down. This feels good. Soft, warm. Wait, what's happening? I think I'm breaking free. Whoa! Is that green?
Yep, little sprout, you're doing it. Pushing through the earth, reaching for the sun.
It feels amazing. So much bigger than I ever imagined.
Just wait till you see the sky. But remember, life above ground ain't always easy. Watch out for the hot sun, hungry birds.
Don't worry, I'm not scared. I'm a survivor just like you.
Good spirit. Now keep growing, little one. Show the world what forgotten dreams can become.
Hey, new sprout. Looking good.
Another voice? Who's there?
Just a friendly spider, spinning my web in this corner. Welcome to the Greenhouse Club.
Greenhouse Club? Are there more of us?
A few. A stubborn wildflower pushing through a crack in the wall. A determined tomato vine clinging to a rusty pipe. We're all making a go of it.
That's incredible. Maybe together we can make this whole place bloom again.
Now that's an idea I can get behind. We might be small, but together we can be mighty.
We can do this. The greenhouse will be a beacon of life, a reminder that even in forgotten places, hope can still grow.